Hi guys, Chloe here. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how I record Black Ops 3 because I know there's not many tutorials out there. So obviously you need to have the game installed and download my resources that I linked in the description before you do this. But first you'll want to launch the game, enter your settings in a custom match, and you want to hit a demo or a clip. After you hit the clip of your liking, you want to go to your theater mode and look for the recent game. It should be located in your recent games. After that, you want to load it. And click M. It will show you a list theater mode settings like basic, director, object link, stuff like that. If you want, you can mess with those and it can kind of let you mess around with the game, like lighting and stuff. But afterwards, you want to open up your console and go to your dolly cam and load it. Now, after you've loaded it, you can go back to your game and turn down your playback speed using the option I'm showing on screen. You can lower it or speed it up using your up and down arrow keys. Right here, I'm just playing with the DOF settings. Obviously, you can tweak it to your liking. Some hotkeys to keep in mind while editing is how I'm tilting my camera. I hold control and I use the scroll wheel on my mouse to rotate it. And to change the FOV, I hold shift and scroll in or out with my mouse scroll wheel. And you can make something like this. Bye.